Okay, I'm coming back. Well, timer?
It's on timer. Simon.
Okay.
Please stop. What are you doing? Please stop.
There's a button on the side of the camera that lets you stop the video.
I see. You want me to stop it?
Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing.
Yeah, I wouldn't record this.
Yes, it's recording it. And you've been playing it 15 years.
Just stop it.
Yeah, you're recording it. Now we're going to go home.
I guess so. Did they say you could leave?
I don't know what to say. I feel like
She said something about the gourd. I know that. Yeah.
She's like, I was in there for 20 minutes?
Yeah, it's not that long. It wasn't that long. It felt longer?
I don't know. It was just
With a needle?
yeah.
Okay.